Sophia wine is delightfully refreshing. It's really good. Right now, the days in California are very hot, so this is a must. Hello, my name is Miroslava. I am a sommelier, and I want to tell you about this beautiful wine I'm drinking right now, Sophia from Monterey County. I'm going to put the picture right there so you, like me, can buy it and enjoy it. This is a sparkling wine. You'll see the bubbles right there. So frizzy, so bubbly. And this wine, even though it's made in California, it's made with the Champenoise method, the same as the champagne. Second fermentation is gonna made in the bottle, and this is very interesting. So this wine, Sophia from Monterey County, follows that method. Basically, this is a Californian champagne, but because it's not made in Champagne region in France, but in California, we can call it champagne and we call it sparkling wine. Although this is a Blanc de Blanc, and normally in champagne, when Blanc de Blanc is mentioned in the bottle, it means it's made of a white grape. In this case, it's Chardonnay. But in the case of Sophia, it's made of Pinot Blanc, Riesling, and Muscat. And I'm going to talk about all of these grapes and see what character do they give to the wine for you to understand a little bit better this particular one. This is 2013 right now. You can buy on the website the 2018 vintage, and I highly recommend it. I'm gonna put the website down here so you can buy it.
I think aromas, I can appreciate pear, I can appreciate green apple, peach, orange blossom, lavender. Also citrus like lemon and lime, and honeysuckle. It smells like a very mineral as well. And like I said, this one has been there for 7 years, it's 2013. But the aromas and the flavors that you will get from the 2018 or the newer ones, if they're made of the same grapes, are going to be very similar.
Sophia wine is delightfully refreshing. It's really good. Right now, the days in California are very hot, so this is a must.
Flavors of the apples and pear made brighter with the hint of citrus. Like I said, lemon and lime, but also the honeysuckle you can smell and taste as well.
This wine is elegant, lightly textured, and vibrant through the finish. Really, really good. I want to tell you about the grapes that this wine is made of so you understand a little bit more of the flavors and aromas.
And we have first the Pinot Blanc. Pinot Blanc will be the color. It's very similar as the shirt I'm wearing from Chabacoco. This grape is generic mutation of Pinot Gris, which Pinot Gris is a generic mutation of Pinot Noir. So you see it has a little bit of each of them through the time that it's been mutated. But Pinot Blanc is going to be crisp, it's going to have a lot of fruits like nectarine, like peach, like dry fruits. That's why the smell and that's what the taste of dry fruit, like dry peach, pear, and apple, is very, very pronounced in this wine, and it's because of the Pinot Blanc. The Muscat, it comes from France. This grape is going to be very crisp and very aromatic. The colors that it goes through when it's maturing, it goes from very light, like almost white, to yellow, to pink, to nearly black. And this grape is very aromatic, very floral, and sweet. And we also have a Riesling. Riesling comes from the Rhine region. In Germany, it's used for many different types of wine. You can go from sweet wine making, ice wine, to dry wines, and is the 20th most planted around the world. So this grape is going to be very, very perfumed, and also has some like citrus and pineapple flavors and aromas.
So the three grapes combined make the Blanc de Blanc Sophia from Monterey County. Monterey County is between Los Angeles and San Francisco in California. This wine belongs to a winery named Francis Ford Coppola. The winery is above San Francisco, but the grapes come from Monterey County. You can find a lot of national parks there. You have the ocean on the west side, and you have some waterfalls, and it's very, very beautiful, very natural, and very open. This will influence the grapes. And that's why we have this minerality and salinity in this grape, in this wine, because it comes from the ocean. It's very interesting the way that the terroir will influence on the grapes and it will influence in the wine that you're drinking. This is really good. I love it. And I was saving it for a while, like this is 2013, but I'll have to try the new vintage and compare and see what the flavors and the aromas will be like. This winemaker is going to recommend drinking this wine with either fried chicken or fruit tart, when they're both very different, but you can see like the gamma of the flavors can cover all this different sensation, rather with the fried chicken or with the fruit tart. Like I said, what grows together goes together, and fried chicken is something that we eat a lot here in California. I will say you can also pair this very well with shellfish, since I said this winery is next to the ocean. What grows together goes together. And you can also pair this well with some aperitifs, appetizers, and snacks. And you can tell this wine will go great with lean fish, because we have a lot of lean fish in the ocean here in California. Normally leaner fish come from warmer weather, and as you see here in California, we're very, very sunny, very, very warm most of the year. And when fatty fish will come more from like colder weather. So my last recommendation will be to serve this very, very cold. Sometimes there's some wines that are recommended to breathe a little bit. This one will go really, really well if you pour it directly from the fridge to your glass and you drink it crisp cold. Try it and let me know what you think, okay? Don't forget to tag me in a picture if you try it. And I'm gonna leave the website down there so you can take a look at the wines they have and you can buy one and enjoy like me. And I want to tell you about these bags I'm obsessed with as well. They're from Champenoise.
And look at these bags, they're so beautiful. I can't with them. So when you're trying to give a gift, this is a great gift if you're planning on giving some wine. It says, because you can't drink flowers. Isn't it funny? This one says, drink me, and it looks like the Alice in Wonderland thing. Like so pink and beautiful. And then this one here says, classy girls drink wine. And it comes in a color, in like a Tiffany bag color with a bow as well. So very, very classy. And this last one, it has a handle. This says, food without wine is breakfast. So funny. I love that. You can get whatever you want written on it, or they have a lot of styles that I'm sure you'll find one that you love. They're only $10 a bag, and it's shipping including in Los Angeles County, or $8 if you want to pick up in Glendale, California.
I'll leave the Instagram below of Champenoise. Then also, if you like my outfit, it's from Champenoise as well. And let me know, what do you like to drink? I love to talk about different drinks. That being said, I want to show you a cocktail I made specifically with this wine. First of all, I want to tell you that I've been obsessed with Jamaica. If you don't know what Jamaica is, it's a red flower. It's a hibiscus. You can make an infusion with it. You can drink it hot or cold. I've been drinking it cold because it's been so hot here in California. Jamaica is well known in Mexico, Central America, some parts of South America, the Caribbean, and for sure Jamaica. If you drink it often and you make this part of your diet, it will control your hypertension. You can read a little bit more about it. I'm gonna leave a link down below. But I highly recommend it. It's really good. Some people like to add some sugar on it. I don't like it. I just like to drink it as it is. It'll taste a little bit like cranberry. It's like bittery and acidic. And it's really, really good. I love it. So I thought it will go great with this wine. So I made some ice cubes of Jamaica. So I just like made a Jamaica infusion. I'll write it down below how you can make it. It's super easy. And I have 2 small ice cubes in this beautiful vintage crystal glass. I will pour some of my beautiful Sophia Blanc de Blanc from Monterey County. And voila, you got a summer Californian beautiful cocktail. Delicious. It's really good. You should try it. I highly recommend it. Like I said, if you like it a little bit sweeter, you can put some sugar on the Jamaica infusion when you're making it. If not, you can just keep it like it as it is. It'll be a little bit bitter, a little bit acidic, but it will go very beautiful with this wine. And you can use any Prosecco, Cava, Champagne, any sparkling wine that you want to use will go perfectly with this cocktail. And it's very easy to make. You can put a cherry on top and voila, Jamaica sparkly cocktail. I hope you like it. Let me know what do you think and let me know if you make it. Tag me. Take some pictures and tag me. Let's talk about wine. Follow me on my Instagram. Let me know what do you think. And when we go back to have gatherings, friends and family over, you're prepared with this beautiful cocktail. Cheers. Remember, stay safe and wear a mask.